screen. There's a red lever below your seat. Compress the lever and release.
Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday and we are currently in Vegas. I'm here for the Kids Expo convention and I am on my way to go get some Vietnamese food right now. Wow, Preston!
Vegas, my
wow! Water? What's that? Hi guys, we're at Bellagio right now and it is absolutely gorgeous in here. So they have their fall theme up and it's all real flowers. You can see behind me. It smells like fall, okay? It's just like so breathtaking in here, and right now it's actually not busy, so it's a great time to go. Preston is enjoying it. So they do change the theme every season, and they'll probably get their Christmas stuff up soon after the holidays. What is that, baby? Hi! Water? That water? Look at that! Good morning, guys. I am here at the ABC Kids Expo. We are actually walking in right now. It is Take Your Kids to Work Day. I've got little Jameson with me. Hi, baby. Hi, Gong. So we're walking in right now. It's going to be my very first time at the Expo and I'm really excited to be here because there's going to be tons of amazing new baby products on the market, and you guys know I'm always on the hunt for good stuff. So I'm here at the ABC Kids Expo with 59S and I'm about to head over to their booth and check out their new products. I'm super excited because this looks amazing. Hi, baby! There's tons of products, so many different baby stuff. I am like literally a kid in the candy store. I want to like check out everything, and everything looks so innovative, and you guys know being a mom is hard already, so I'm trying my best to look for products to make my life easier. Here we are at 59S. Let's go check it out. Oh my god. Hi, how are you?
Nice to meet you.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, Eva. Oh, sorry. Ooh, what is this?
Yeah, this is one kind of the microorganism, and it's called paramecia.
Like germs?
Like germs, yeah.
Ew. Something's in here right now?
Yeah, this is a projector.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is a projector,
Gotcha.
and this is a microscope.
I
see. Checking the microscope inside it.
Okay, let's go check it out. Oh, that's the sample in there?
Right.
Ew, baby, look! So gross!
Hi, little. How you doing, man? Alright, and as you can see, it's just swimming really actively.
So now
and let's see how it works. Yeah. Okay, the light is on. Because the UV LED is killing the germs. There is nothing UV resistant. So we got 99.9% efficiency to kill all the germs.
So basically it's like boiling water, but UV technology, like zapping it.
Yes.
Dead.
And yeah, and right now you see 20 seconds later, and most of them are hard to move, and yeah, that one is pretty strong. That one is pretty strong.
Oh my god. That's crazy.
Yeah.
So this is the projector, and this is the germs right here, and this is your LED.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
All died. And
Ew, gross. Oh, I have goosebumps. Oh my god, that's gross. Let's go check out some of their other stuff out here.
yeah. And this is our key.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, what is this?
This is sterilizing bag for the toys. And as you can see, a lot of the toys is really fluffy.
Yeah.
And
Oh yeah, we have a lot of that.
yeah, and some electronic toys. And it's impossible you just clean it or sterilize it by water or steam.
Yeah, I used to wash this actually in the washer.
Yeah,
Like, I put all the
in a very traditional way, you have to do that. But in the sterilization bags, in 59 seconds, you just put it inside, just close it.
Is that why the company is called 59S?
Exactly.
For 59 seconds?
Within 1 minute. That's why.
That's really
this.
smart.
Yeah, they are.
Oh, so there's two options. One
Yeah.
for 59 seconds and one for 180 seconds.
Yes.
Gotcha.
It's a special portable products for the babies and the moms. You can put your pacifier inside it.
That is amazing.
Yes, and you could.
Is this battery operated?
It's battery operated.
Yeah.
You also charge it by the USB.
USB?
Yes.
Yeah, USB. It's a power bank.
USB.
That is genius. And you just put this on to...
Yeah, you can put it on anywhere
Diaper
in
bag.
your bag,
Yes.
diaper bag. Each product we're just carrying out portable charger.
Wow.
It's really
That is
easy.
so smart. You
Yeah.
guys, this is insane because I don't know how many times we've traveled and the pacifier drops on the floor and you're just
Yes.
like, I don't know what to do.
Yeah.
Except bring hot water with you.
It's harder to wash immediately
You
because
can't, and you're holding the
take care of
baby.
babies.
I have 2 kids.
Yeah.
Yeah. Does this come in different colors or just the pink right now?
Right now we got the white one and we
white
got the pink one. Yeah.
I like them. So all of this is available yet or no?
No, actually, all the products is not listed yet. We are going to release all the products by the end of this month.
Oh, nice.
Yes, so we're
I need
looking-
this like now.
Definitely.
Okay.
Yeah, you can keep this as a
Because
sample.
we're
yeah.
dropping the pacifier all the time.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I need it like now.
Okay.
Right?
That's cool. That's
This is to store bottles. This is like a makeup bag for your brushes. I definitely need this because you know my brushes are really dirty. We've got this one. This one for your toys and bottles.
in here.
Look at this. Look how convenient it is. You just strap it onto your mommy hook and you're good.
Yeah.
Okay? How freaking cute is this thing? And you just sterilize your pacifier on the go, and that's it. We're good. He's hungry. So, of course, in the middle of the show, we gotta do what we gotta do, right, buddy? Right, buddy? I feel like I'm at Target. Like, I want everything in here now. What are these? Wow, this is really cool.
So with one bottle, you can use it as a sipping cup and also as a big bottle itself.
Nice. Is it on the market right now? Where can you buy it?
You can buy it on Amazon too.
Amazon?
Yeah, and
You want to try? Excuse me. Oh!
it was outside.
Usually the other bottles I give him, he hits me.
Are you serious?
Yeah, he hits me.
It's not clean enough.
I'm here at Starbucks and Christy is going to show us the carriers. Look at that. That's me. Okay, for sure. That's my outfit. That's my baby.
Yeah. And so the Yema carrier that she was just showing you is really, really high fashion.
Look how small these strollers are. It is so small. It folds like a pancake. Great for travel. This is actually the second version. This is the first one. The smaller canopy, the bigger canopy, and then a little bit of a recline. You guys, Jameson has been sleeping the entire time. Hi, my little baby. We're done with the show. I'm meeting up with Christina to eat right now. I'm craving Korean and she found a spot so we can have some Korean. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I got some pacifiers from the show. I hope he likes it. He doesn't really take any binkies, so I hope he'll take this one. Right, baby? He was so good, you guys. He slept the entire time at the show. Didn't even make a peep, did you? Did you? And I am starving, so hungry. I could probably eat a cow or a pig or a horse, right? Or you? I'm gonna eat you. Oh yes, thank you. Chiku 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 chiku. Ay chiku 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 chiku.
大きな音がして目が覚めたよ街の人たちはみんなで出かけては夜空
So it's about, I want to say 6 p.m. It's been a really long day, but the day is not over. I'm currently at Target and I'm here to pick up some rice cereal for Jameson. The other day my mom bought this multi-grain cereal one for him and he did not like that at all. Then we also got this rice cereal and he didn't eat that. So I'm back here getting this Earth's Best organic one because he seems to like that a lot. So gotta pick that up. He is quite the picky eater apparently. I also got this little hat for him. It is so cute, you guys. And this one maybe for myself. Am I silly? We're home. Day's still not over.
I want to hold it.
Oh.